A very good morning to all our viewers. You're watching the morning news on CNN News 18. I'm Anjali Pandey here to take you through all the latest news and updates from across the nation and around the world. And our top focus of this hour is on the rainfall, the heavy rainfall that has lashed several parts of Mumbai. Now, there is waterlogging being reported in the low-lying areas of Mumbai. In fact, Harbour Line and Central Line are also affected due to the waterlogging. Meanwhile, the IMD has predicted further heavy downpours in the state during the next 3 to 4 days. And the commute in Mumbai is also disturbed following the waterlogging that has been triggered by the heavy rainfall in the city. And several areas of the city have completely submerged in water after the hefty downpours. Let's listen into some reactions of the residents over there.
अभी बारिश आ रहा है, अभी बारिश तो नेचर है, उसको आना चाहिए। अभी इतना पानी भर जाएगा तो कभी सोचा नहीं था। अभी बारिश के सामने किसकी चलती नहीं है।
बारिश में कभी गड्ढे विड्ढे भी रहते हैं ना, बरोबर वो कभी किधर गड्ढा आदमी गिर गया, किधर बरोबर वो भी नहीं है ना। अभी आदमी कैसा जाएगा बारिश में? ट्रेन बंद, बस बंद, सब बंद।
अंधेरी से आया मैं बस पकड़ने। अभी तो पानी पूरा भरा हुआ है पूरे रास्ते में, चलने के लिए जगह नहीं है, बीच में से चलना पड़ रहा है।
किस तरह का परेशानी हुई और क्या करना चाहिए?
सुविधा होनी चाहिए कुछ अच्छी खासी इसके लिए।
सबसे पहले मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा, बीएमसी का बजट 50,000 करोड़। जी हाँ, बिल्कुल सही सुना मैंने, 50,000 करोड़ का बजट है बीएमसी का, सिर्फ मुंबई शहर का। और इस बीएमसी के बजट का 50,000 करोड़ का नजारा देखिए। ये जो नजारा है वो किसी नदी, नहर, समंदर का बिल्कुल नहीं दिख रहा है, लेकिन वैसा ही दिख रहा है और उससे ज्यादा खतरनाक दिख रहा है। ये नजारा है मुंबई के अंधेरी सबवे का। ये वो सबवे है जो सबर्बन को ईस्ट से वेस्ट जोड़ता है। बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सबवे है जो ईस्ट से वेस्ट जोड़ता है। लेकिन इस सबवे का देखिए, पानी का प्रेशर देखिए। अगर मैं आपको अपने कैमरामैन अर्जुन को बोलूं, दिखाएगा पानी का प्रेशर देखिए कितना तेज है। और इसी प्रेशर के तहत से देखिए वो सबवे जा रहे हैं पानी में, ऊपर लोकल ट्रेन चल रही है। और ये सबवे बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है मुंबई सबर्बन के लिए, क्योंकि ये जो ईस्ट वेस्ट का जो इलाका है वो कनेक्ट करता है। लेकिन भारी बारिश की वजह से पूरा का पूरा सबवे को बंद कर दिया गया है। आसपास के इलाके हैं वो भी पूरे से बंद कर दिए गए हैं। दूसरी तरफ की तस्वीरें दिखाऊंगा। देखिए लोगों को कितनी मुश्किलों का सामना करना पड़ रहा है, क्योंकि ऑफिस का टाइम होते जा रहा है। महिलाएं हो, पुरुष हो, मुंबई में ऐसा होता है कि आप ऑफिस नहीं छोड़ सकते, आपको किसी भी तरीके से जाना पड़ेगा।
And News 18's Preeti Sompura is joining us live from Kalina. Preeti, how is the situation currently over there?
Now it started raining heavily across the suburban area of the Mumbai, and you can see, I can show you some of the pictures, like it's raining heavily, and now the office hours are also started. Besides this, Maharashtra government and the BMC has announced the school and colleges public holiday today, but despite the private offices are still working, so you can see the lots of traffic on the road. You can see the traffic on the road.
All right, we'll try to re-establish that connection with Preeti Sompura, who was giving us all the details of the rainfall that has lashed several parts of Mumbai, and that has led to severe waterlogging in a lot of areas. Andheri subway is closed. In fact, local train services have also been impacted due to the heavy rains that has led to waterlogging. Central and Harbour lines are affected due to this, and because of this, the commuters are also facing a lot of difficulties while commuting to their workplaces. But schools and colleges have been ordered to remain shut today. Preeti Sompura is back with us. Preeti, please continue.
Yeah, the schools and colleges are closed today, but the private offices are working today. And so today is it's a peak hour. It already started, so you can see behind me lots of traffic jam behind me. And besides this, IMD has also alerted. Few minutes ago, IMD has issued a new alert, and it says that orange alert till 3 p.m. 3 p.m. today. Besides this, there is at around 1:50 p.m. there is a high tide in the sea. Like the high tide level is around 450 meter. High tide will take place across the Mumbai, but you can see that water logging is already there on the streets of the Mumbai, and entire Linking Road and SC Road is fully submerged into a water. Besides, these trains are also badly affected, especially the outbound train and the express train is also affected due to the heavy rain. And Mumbai, Pune, all the express trains like Pragati Express and the Seagate Express train are already cancelled by the Central Railway. Besides this, like BMC has also issued a new alert to the Mumbaikar, like if you have any urgency, then only leave your home. Otherwise, please stay safe at the home. And you can see that already water logging is already there. And besides this, heavy rainfall is already started in the suburban parts of the Mumbai. And not only in Mumbai, but the city connected to the Mumbai, like Navi Mumbai, Thane, and even in the Raigad and in the Sindhudurg area, the heavy rainfall is already starting.
Preeti, since when has it been raining in Mumbai?
Since last 1 a.m. till 7 a.m., the IMD department has recorded around 300 millimeter rainfall in the Mumbai, which is very high, because earlier we have seen that around 100 mm to 150 mm, the entire Mumbai submerged into water. But this time in the early morning, rainfall was around 300 mm, and due to this, the most of the parts of the Mumbai are under the submerged into the water. And as a few minutes ago, BMC alerted a new alert that around in the afternoon there is a high tide. So BMC has informed the people like not to go outside their home. Besides this, private school and colleges are also closed in Mumbai, but the private offices are still working. So now the BMC has informed the private offices that if you don't have any urgency, then please close your office today.
All right, Preeti, please stay with us. We're also being joined by CNN News 18's Yasha Kotak, who's live with us from Ghatkopar. Yasha, how is the situation over there?
So yes, as of now, when you speak of Ghatkopar station, what has in fact come to forth is that several, of course, there are several parts, which is the western line as well as certain parts in the central line, be it around Bhandup and Nahur area, or for that matter around Kurla, where there is still waterlogging. In some parts, particularly here, what you can see is a bit of the tracks have been submerged. However, train movement has started slowly. In fact, around 5:30 was where there was extremely high waterlogging on the tracks as well. But as of now, when you speak of the central line, train movement has begun slowly on several stretches, particularly some parts of the platform. They've been kept some tracks, that is the slow line tracks and the fast line tracks, have been kept shut as of now, because the waterlogging still continues at Sion, or for that matter at Bhandup as well. But here, when you speak of some of the outstation trains, they've been allowed to move. Central line, of course, has issued advisory about how there have been 5 trains which have been shut. The 5 long distance trains, which includes the Deccan Queen, also for that matter Pragati Express. All of these trains have as of now been cancelled, because beyond Thane is where we see there is a limited movement of trains. Also, you see this is of course one of the busiest stations. But today, considering the fact that there have been advisories that have been issued by Central Railway as well as by the BMC, asking people to stay indoors, which is where of course a lot of people had gotten to know early in the morning that train services have been suspended, which is where there is a limited flow of people right now at the station as well. Of course, at several locations we see that because the trains are running late, which is where it can be a Monday morning hassle for several people. But as of now, the rains have subsided. In fact, eastern suburbs, under which this area also falls, has been the area where there has been the highest rainfall that has been reported, more than 300 mm. In say just a span of 5 to 6 hours. As of now, over the last 1 or 2 hours, the rains have subsided. Though there have been several notifications that have been issued by BMC. One, of course, asking students to not move in. That is, schools and colleges have been asked to stay shut for the first half of the session. Second half, that is post 12 o'clock, is where there can be several other changes also that can take place. Depending on the rainfall situation, some of these areas, some of the low-lying areas as well, the water has started subsiding, though it can of course lead to travelling hazards for people, because the services will remain slow, be it at Central Line or for that matter at Western Line as well. In fact, when you speak of Western Line, as of now even Western Line has informed that the trains are running late by 10 to 20 minutes on Western Line as well. So when you speak of the 3 line, that is the Harbour Line, the Central Line and the Western Line, As of now, the central line is suspended partially at several locations. On the other hand, on western line, there is a delay for 10 to 20 minutes, and harbour line continues to run as of now. Yes.
All right, Yasha, please stay with us. Preeti Sompura is also with us. Preeti, as you were mentioning that the private offices are still working today, so the roads are waterlogged, the local train services have been affected. So how are the people commuting to their workplaces?
So most of the people are traveling in either in auto or but the BST bus is still working, so they are traveling in the BST local buses, or even some of the people are traveling in a private taxi and in auto also. And besides this, there are many people who are taking their own vehicle to reach their office.
All right, Preeti, please stay with us. Yasha, so what are the steps being taken by the authorities to, pump out the water from the waterlogged areas?
Absolutely. In fact, as of now, I continue to show you visuals of how there is a rush early on a Monday morning at railway stations, particularly because the trains are running late. In fact, you can see, I'm showing you the indicators as of now. Train services have been suspended, which is where you see that there is no indication of any train movement on at the station as well. Of course, at several places where there is a lot of water on the tracks is where there have been big pumps that have been installed. In fact, I'll show you visuals of how one of this a long distance train has also been suspended right here, and the movement has been restricted as of now. This is because some of these parts that we see have water being logged on the tracks as well, which is where we see bunching of these trains take place all the way further ahead. And this, of course, is where we see there are several trains which are waiting, because as of now, none of the train services are in fact being indicated by the Central Railway, which is where you see some of the trains have been suspended. There is no indication that's being shown.
Yes.
This, of course, we
also,
see.
Yasha, if you could also talk to some of the commuters over there and try to get their word on the inconvenience that is being caused due to the heavy rains.
Absolutely. सर, आप लोग यहाँ पे खड़े हैं, फिलहाल ट्रेन सर्विसेज बंद है, आप कब से खड़े हैं और क्या दिक्कत आ रही है?
अभी हम आधा एक घंटे से खड़े हुए हैं और ये 4 नंबर प्लेटफॉर्म से और 3 नंबर प्लेटफॉर्म से कोई भी गाड़ी नहीं जा रहा है। अनाउंसमेंट किया रेलवे प्रशासन ने कि अभी ये दोनों जो भी लोग को आगे से कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन न आती है तब तक 4 नंबर और 3 नंबर से कोई गाड़ी नहीं जाएगी और 1 नंबर और 2 नंबर से गाड़ी जाने वाली है, ऐसा अनाउंसमेंट किया हुआ है।
तो क्या कुछ बताया गया था कि बारिश है, पानी भरा हुआ है, इसलिए ट्रेन नहीं चल रही?
वही वजह से हुआ है। अभी बोले बारिश भरा हुआ है, पानी भरा हुआ है, इसकी वजह से कुछ गाड़ी का दिक्कत है, इसके लिए वो लोग ने अनाउंसमेंट किया हुआ है।
अच्छा, और आपको कहाँ जाना था? आप कहाँ से आए हुए?
अभी घाटकोपर से है, मेरे को CST जाना है।
तो आप रुके हुए आधे एक घंटे से बीच में?
अभी क्या करेगा, काम पे तो जाना है ना, इसके लिए तो रुकना पड़ेगा।
आप बताइए, आप कब से रुके हुए, क्या दिक्कत आ रही है आपके यहाँ पे?
वही पानी भरा हुआ, मेरे को भी आधे घंटे से रुका हूँ, मेरे को भी CST जाने का है।
ओके,
काम का प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, मैसेज तो आया नहीं, कुछ ऐसा अपडेट भी आ जाता ना न्यूज़ में ये सब, लेकिन बट कुछ अपडेट आया नहीं रहा है।
Right,
so problem हो रही है पूरा ये सब।
So these are some of the commuters. In fact, I'll go further down to show you how there are various people waiting at the platform as well, because of course this is one of the busiest routes. Right behind me, you can also see there are several people who are waiting just on the upper part. But right here behind is where you can see there are several commuters who have been waiting on the platforms as well. As of now, of course, there's no announcement being made about what is the situation of the train right here. But when you speak of the situation, of course, because it's a Monday morning, there are several people who've stepped out to go to work. But because train services have been suspended, they've not been able to reach their workplace, and that is a bit of a hassle for commuters as well right here. In fact, sir, आप बताइए, आप कब से यहाँ पे रुके हुए हैं, क्या बताया जा रहा है?
हो गया, मैं खड़ा हूँ इधर, अभी तक गाड़ी नहीं आ रही। 4 नंबर पे तो फास्ट ट्रैक का एक भी गाड़ी नहीं गया है।
तो क्या कुछ अनाउंसमेंट किया गया था?
कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे अनाउंसमेंट, रुके हम लोग। 2 नंबर पे तो पूरा लाइन पे लाइन गाड़ी खड़ा है, 3 नंबर 4 नंबर पे कोई गाड़ी ही नहीं जा रहा है। कुछ भी अनाउंसमेंट करके हमको हिंट तो दे दे कि आगे जाने वाला है, गाड़ी नहीं जाने वाला है, वो हिसाब से हमने हमारा प्लानिंग करे आगे का।
तो क्या इससे जो है कम्यूट के लिए, मतलब आपको आने जाने के लिए कुछ दिक्कत आ रही है? काफी लोग मैं दिख रही हूँ खड़े हुए हैं प्लेटफॉर्म पे।
दिक्कत तो आ रही है ना, श्योर दिक्कत आ रही है। अभी ऑफिस का हमको कुछ भी मालूम नहीं पड़ रहा है कि आगे जाने वाला गाड़ी, नहीं जाने वाला गाड़ी, कुछ भी मालूम नहीं पड़ रहा है हमको।
तो यहाँ से आपको कहाँ जाना है और क्या आप यहाँ से कोई ऑल्टरनेट रूट लेके आगे जाने के लिए सोच रहे हैं?
मेरे को तो CST जाना है, लेकिन CST जाने वाया रोड भी बहुत ट्रैफिक जाम हो गया। मेरे कलीग ने फ़ोन किया था, वो रोड भी पूरा ट्रैफिक जाम है, तो फिर कैसे जाएंगे हम लोग, कैसे पहुंच सकते हैं हम लोग ऑफिस में।
तो आपने कहा कि आपके कलीग कह रहे हैं कि काफी ट्रैफिक, तो कहीं पे वहाँ पे ही पानी भरा हुआ है, क्या कुछ बताया?
हाँ, कुरला और वो साइन के बीच में वो भी रोड पे है, वो इधर भी बहुत ट्रैफिक और पानी भरा है।
So in fact, we just hear the announcement that's taking place wherein they are saying that the train services have been suspended on platform 3, on platform 4, as well as they're also saying how there is all the trains which are moving towards northbound, which is towards Kalyan, they have also been suspended because of the rains. We'll in fact speak to some more people. आप बता रहे थे कि आप भी काफी टाइम से खड़े हैं, बताइए कहाँ से आए हुए हैं आप?
मैं तो यहाँ से जाना था ना मेरे को, 1 घंटे से खड़ा हूँ मैं इधर। लोकल आ ही नहीं रही है, फास्ट लोकल बंद कर दिए हैं, स्लो लोकल आ रही है, तो अभी तक आ ही नहीं है कोई भी लोकल 1 घंटे से।
तकरीबन 1 घंटे से आप यहाँ पे रुके हैं, लेकिन कोई ट्रेन नहीं आ रही है?
नहीं।
So yes, there are several commuters who waited out here for half an hour or an hour, both bounds, that is the southbound, that is towards the CST, and on the other hand towards northbound. In fact, we just heard one of the announcement being made which said the northbound trains have been suspended, and which is where that is causing a bit of a hassle on the station. Of course, early morning, considering that there was certain messages that were passed on by BMC, but it has not reached several people. In fact, right here behind me, you can see how there are several people who still continue to wait for trains right here. We also showed you visuals of how one of the long distance train has been waiting at the station since quite some time. So this is of course a Monday morning hassle for commuters, particularly after we saw an overnight downpour in eastern suburbs of the city. Yes.
All right, Yasha, please continue to stay with